Welcome. This video is we going to see how to write that ow letter and the ow letter words. So ow we already practiced that R. So first like it R, then one slanting line, then O, double slanting line, then ow. One slanting line O, R, one slanting line O, double slanting line ow. Ow, ow, औरत, औ, औरत, औरत. You write up to the first two letters औ, ra, और means and, और औरत, औरत woman, और and, औरत. Next औषधि, therefore that, the. So औष, sh for shak, sh, औषधि, औषधि, medicine. औजार, औजार, औजा, ja for jag, ja. औजार, औजार. औलाता, औलत, ta for leather, the. औलद, 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 औलद. So exercise again you practice here. First you practice that three. Don't stop up to this. You little extend this post. And then from here you start curved and come straight near one straight lines. And then single slanting lines it is a O, and double slanting line it is a ow. औरत, और. Now write the first letters. So start like a three, little curved. From here straight lines, one more straight lines. Put double slanting lines above. औ, औरत, औषधि, so that is our letter. Next come to an, we'll see in the next videos. Thank you very much.